Okay. Yeah, nothing like having your computer completely lock up on you. Have to do a reboot while you're in the middle of a streaming broadcast. Uh, okay. Well, I guess I'm not the only one that's not woken up yet. Great. Okay. Is that just a sign that it's a rough morning, or is that a sign that it's time to upgrade the computer? Have a look. Let's see. I've had it for a few years, but uh, hopefully we'll stay intact. Hopefully we won't lock up again. I gotta bring all my music stuff back online. I got streaming soundtracks kicked in again, but I want to do my 80s as well, so I can ping pong between them like I like to do. Wow, that was ugly. Alright, fingers crossed I can make it more than, what was that, like 7 minutes? Actually, am I streaming? Jeez. Yeah, okay, I guess it started over. They're on Twitch, on that display. Jeez. Okay, that was fun. And, of course, all the stuff I just typed is gone. Of course. Alright, let me come back at this. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe need to upgrade the drivers. Probably need to upgrade the video drivers. I hope that's the issue. I don't think it'd be overheating because I got the fan on and it's like 65 degrees outside, so don't think that's the culprit. Alright. So, that was so much fun. Let's do it all again. Let me just start over. Okay, so let me actually fire this up one time. So once again, what I was trying to do is go back when you selected a launcher. If you haven't unlocked the keys, you get a message telling you that you need to do that. Let's see. I don't think I was lucky enough. No, I did. Hey, look at that. Good. Take it back. It did actually save that. I saw the little asterisk up there when it locked up, and I thought for sure that I had not saved that. Okay. Now it's going to chew for a couple minutes while it thinks about me. Come on. Alright, so that was a fun start. There we go. We're actually going to come to life here. Don't worry, she'll hold together. Come on, baby, hold together. There we go. Yes, yes. And click on this. Look at that. Didn't lose my progress like I thought I did. How's that for cool? Nice. Okay. Control S. Not that I actually did anything just now, but at this point I'm so paranoid. It is Control S every 30 seconds today until the computer decides it wants to stop locking up. Okay. Oh crap, let's see, I gotta like reload my cheat sheet and everything now. Wow. Okay. Let me get my to-do list out. Boom, boom. There we go. Close that. Move this over. Alright. Okay. So that's good. What I'm going to do is do a little cheat in here just to make sure that it displays. Let's see. Yeah, so I got 0. If it's offline, then we just show that. Otherwise, we want to tell it that. Oh yeah, I need to actually do the purchase, don't I? Okay. Now we need to check the values. Man, thought I was done, and then I realized I'm not even close. Okay. Throw this down here for a second. What we need to do is find out our actual price that we have versus our coins available. Let's see. Yeah, get lock value. Okay, so that's good. What I need to find out is price. There we go. Alright, so then what we want to do, I can pull it either from the text string that's visible, or I can go fetch it again. Yeah, I'll get it manually. Okay, I'm gonna be a good boy. Rather than store the values in a variable that could be exploited, I'll be a good boy and actually get it fresh. Okay, so we come back there, and then we know, let's see, which one we're actually choosing. Yeah, from ID. Okay. Let's get, and then we need to get our actual coin value. Yeah, I can pull that from our local combo. Yeah, because that's display. Yep, I'll do that. Okay. So then we'll say actually, let me do it this way, because I got the values stored as a vector3 XYZ, or I can do it. Can I do it like, rather than XYZ, can I do it like 1? No. Okay. I'll do it with a switch. Switch ID, because there's 3 launchers you can choose. Oops. And if it's case 1, there you go. 1, 2, and 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. So then let's go ahead and, so if we say, actually I'll grab this guy. We want to see if we have enough coins to actually purchase or unlock the launcher. So if gems is equal to or less than Combo always does this stuff as object, so I got to go through the whole process of throw it to string and then back to int. Oh, less than or equal to. Parse. Alright, why are you not happy? Because I got that guy. There we go. So if the gems, you know what? Sorry, if it's greater than or equal to, then we can actually buy it. Else, can't buy it. Okay. So if we can't buy it, we'll throw up a message to let them know. Alright, so this launch requires X amount of gems to be recruited. Because you're not actually buying these guys, you actually recruit them to be a part of your team. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so in theory, once we click on the villager, excuse me, once we click on the launcher, it should come up and tell us that we have insufficient gems. If I did that right. Okay, anytime. Okay, boom. Here we go. There you go. Oh, I still got the cards. I forgot. I need to artificially remove the cards. Because we know the cards work, so now I gotta turn that off. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, we'll just lie and act like it is 0. Yeah, so we're gonna there. So the idea is the status, the value, I make it a negative number if there are cards that still need to be acquired. So, and then at 0 brings it up to the fact that the cards have been earned, but you haven't purchased it yet. And once you purchase it, then the status goes up to 1. So then it knows that you've actually purchased it previously and can put it into action. Excuse me. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to figure out which guy. Forgot it is a vector 2, so we'll say. Oh yeah, for the ID. So for the launch we're choosing, and then we'll just kind of hard code it as a 0. Vector 2. That should do it. All right. So now we're going to bypass the card requirement artificially there and add a little reminder so I don't leave it there. All right. Drum roll, please. Here we go. Well, crap. He actually chose it. That's not good. And then it didn't go back. That's worse. I set him to 0. Yeah, it should be there. Alright, I'm just gonna do it. No, I need that because that's the one I just chose. Oh, you know what? I have that wrong. Okay, so no, switch between X. Status. Did I reverse that? Yeah, I did. So I'm checking the wrong thing there. That's good I looked. Yeah. So, yeah, this is supposed to be checking if I've got it unlocked, but it was actually checking the launcher ID. That was bad. Okay, but it's fixed now. Alright, I'm only half hour in. I'm still waking up. None of my code makes sense for the first couple hours. Okay. Unlocked but not purchased. Oh, because I'm hard coding it now. Forgot. Alright, we'll do it this way. If ID is not equal to 0, then change the status. There you go. There. So what I did is I just put a check in there that if I'm hitting the catapult, the first item, which is always unlocked, then go ahead and just let that slide. But if I'm clicking one of the other guys, it actually has the locks on it. So now, whoa, what the heck? Okay. And I just went in the wrong direction there, didn't I? Okay. You need 7. You know what? Fine. Do it that way. Let me revert back to when things were rosier and kind of worked. I'll come back at it. Alright. All I'm trying to do now is get back to being able to select the launcher. Okay, now wait a second. Okay. Oh, wait. Now I'm just getting pissed. Alright. Unity, you're hacking. You're getting me hacked off this morning. Okay. There. X value should be the launcher chosen. Y value should be the status of that launcher in terms of purchase, locked, or unpurchased. Okay. 1. 4. Wow, okay, I am reversing that. What the heck? Wow, okay, so the status is actually messing up. My get lock value tool is totally screwing up. Let me double check that. Could have sworn I had that working yesterday. Unless I just thought it was working. Okay. So then, even that's not right. That the X should be 0, not 1 there. Because it's 0, 1, 2, 3. And then this shows as -4. So it's actually just cloning the value. Oh, okay, so it's cloning the value. But then how did it get a 1 and a 4? That's insane. Alright, let me go back and figure out what I did with this guy. Okay. So, lock number. That's good. So then return lock value equals Lock number. Okay. I'm doing that wrong there. So that's crazy. Okay. X. Unless, what did I have that set up as? You'd think I coded this stuff when I was drunk, but I wasn't. No, seriously, I wasn't. Okay. And I'm not drunk now. Just confused. Heavily confused. See, I got rattled by that, my computer locking up on me. I still haven't forgiven my computer for locking up on me. Okay. Right. Lock value is equal to that. Right, so then he goes there, selects launcher. There, the ID. Let me just double check the ID value. Make sure that I'm not doing something stupid there. Crap, I really thought this was going to be a simple fix this morning. Okay. It should be 0. ID 0. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the ID is cool. So it obviously is this guy that I'm screwing up on. Alright. So the lock number, which is basically the launcher number. Oh, that's right. God, I'm sorry. Alright, I would blame this on the fact that it was someone else that coded this, but no, it was actually me. So I forgot how I even set this up yesterday. Okay, so I already know the ID. So basically, the lock value, X is what you've currently done, and then Y is what the base number of locks is. God. And there it is right there. I should have been paying attention. Okay. Alright, so then we go. Alright, so we're checking X. So that's completely wrong there. So X is equal to 1 or 0. There it is. At 0 and then ID. Hey, look at that. I'm actually starting to wake up now. My code is starting to shift from just mindless nothing to something that actually kind of makes sense. I hope. Alright, here we go. Boom. Launcher. There. There it is. See, wasn't that easy? I mean, just like that. That's the great thing about programming, man. It's just, you know, you look at it, you instantly know the problem, and you instantly fix it instantly being, what, 20 minutes? Alright. Interesting, those guys. So, why doesn't the menu show up for these guys? Only him. That's a new wrinkle. Yeah, just do it this way. Should be 0 every time. Let's see. Alright. So I can buy it. Maybe that's what I was doing. Maybe that's why I wasn't showing it. But then those gem values, I gotta check that it's pulling the right gem values. Yeah, so it's 20, 20, 30, so launcher needs 20. Switch ID. Oh, that's it. Okay. Do I even care the ID? Oh yeah, of course, because I need to check the gem value for each individual character. So of course I need the ID. That's why I just need to grab this guy and clone it over. There we go. I'm there now. I really need this game to become a hit so I can hire someone that can actually program worth of crap. There we go. You need 20 gems. You need 20 gems. You need... That should be 30 gems. 20, 20, 30. Oh, that's not good. Alright, we're close. But it's still pulling the... Oh, because I just copy pasted. I didn't actually change the value, did I? I gotta tell it to check the right thing. There it is. Let's see. Y. There it is. Double check. Yeah. Now we're totally done on that. Watch, this is gonna be perfect now. $20, $20, and $30. Never had a doubt. Okay, and of course I don't have enough gems. And of course the cards are still there. But I want to go ahead and implement the code for doing the purchase. So I'm going to just give myself some more gems here in a second. But I think it's time to refill the drink. Get something with caffeine in it. So if you excuse me, I will be right back. And excuse me. And add that purchase ability. Alright, hang tight. Okay. Got myself some nice caffeine. And we got that worked out, so why am I offline? Uh-oh. How did I drop my combo connection? That's interesting. Huh. That's a new wrinkle. Thought I was offline there. Come back at it. Yeah. Okay, that's quirky. So it dropped the connection to my server. Don't know if I can even replicate that again if I wanted to. Okay. Alright, let's go in and actually make it so the person can purchase him. What I do is figure out which guest character I'm playing as. 1189. So let me go ahead and add a ton of gems to guest 1189. Uh-oh. I'm having a little trouble connecting my server. AWS. Amazon, what's going on, guys? Oh, there it goes. Wow. That's not good. Nothing's more fun than trying to connect to your server and just watch your server go, yeah, no, yeah, hold on, I'll get back to you. Okay. Let me go to my client users. Scroll down here. Wow. Yeah, okay. So I don't know if it's just the machine I'm on right now, because he is dragging like crazy. Yeah, it's not me. Let's go. No. Great. Come on, Amazon, you're killing me. Alright. Let me see if I can... Let me see if I can bring him up this way. Yeah? Okay. Wow. So why was the dragon? Okay. Of course, it's the next page. Go. Okay. Anytime you want to refresh. There we go. So let's make our guest 1189 very rich here. Maybe. There we go. Wow. I need to test this in a second. I'm going to fire up. Let me switch out of Android mode. Bounce over to PC so I can actually create a second iteration and play an online game and see if this performance is going to kill it. Let me switch over. Build settings. Excuse me. There. Alright, gonna switch over to PC. May take a second. Alright. Give myself 100 gems and then give myself like 5,000 coins. Why not? being generous. Save that. Alright. Man, technology is not my friend today. The computer completely locked up on me about an hour ago. Or was that like 7 minutes into the stream? Computer just went boom. And now my AWS, my Amazon server is completely chewing right now. Man. Is it me? Okay, we're almost there. Yeah, I don't know, kind of like the YouTube thing. That was kind of funny, wasn't it? I was at a talk, and there's a gentleman that was giving a talk, and he was going through the whole presentation. He's like, comes to the big moment where he's going to show the video that shows the whole thing, and then hits play, and then it comes up with a error message. He broke YouTube. Okay. Almost there. Okay, we're not almost there. It's gonna take a minute. Yeah, switching from different formats. Not exactly a overnight kind of concept. Alright, so anyone seen any good movies lately? How about them Bears? Alright. How about if I increase the music here? Driving Miss Daisy. Hey, there we go. See, that's it. Just gotta get distracted for a second, then it'll finish. Actually, I shouldn't close that. I don't want to close that one and build. Excuse me. Alright. So, like I said, I was in Android mode before. Normally I test on the Android on my tablets, but obviously if you want to do quick iterations and test on PC, you drop it back to PC. I just keep forgetting about how long it takes to switch to the different platforms. Alright. So I'm doing this because, like I said, it looked like AWS was just chewing a minute ago. And I want to do a little more of a test to see if it was just a quirk. Let me dial that down a little bit. Alright, just do a 25 coin match. Oops. 25 coin match. That's weird. So the transparency shows up that way, but in the editor, it shows it as solid. I have to come back and fix that because look at that. Editor, player. Not the same. Alright, I'm going to mute this. There we go. He goes away. Okay. There. Alright, so now I'm paired up. Let's see. I can't quite see here. Yeah. Well, that's good. Looks like it's tracking nicely. And if I... Yeah. Yeah, okay. So then, Yikes. So if it wasn't that, or was that just a blip? Is AWS just doing something goofy there for a second? Client users. Yeah. That's weird. So I'm using Kombu for my player data, and when I actually click on it in the web browser, it chews, but performance here looks fine. Yeah. Alright, you know what? I'll check that out later. The whole reason I did that was just because I wanted to... Oh yeah. Since I just quit, he's going to disappear here in a second. It's going to say opponent quit. There it is. Opponent quit. Okay. So now if we come back, if you remember before I had just a few gems, now I got 110. Thought I had, let me boost that. Go 5. Yeah, I was going to boost the coins, but I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay. That is interesting though, because I pulled, ooh, okay. I think what happened there is I actually updated the coins. Interesting. But because I was in the mid-game there, it pulled from the coins it had stored locally with Kombu versus the... Okay. So I guess when I do a save, I got to check to make sure it didn't get updated. But would that ever really happen? Eh. Alright. I'll worry about that later. Okay, but the key thing now is that I can click on this guy and I should be able to buy him. Which requires Chenny. Okay, you tell me I have to have 20 gems. 110. Last time I checked, 110 is actually more than 20, right? Man, I can't get anything to work off the first try, can I? Alright, let's figure out what I screwed up there. Oh, that's why, because I had it hard-coded, didn't I? Told you that was going to bite me. So it was doing the check. The check came back and said, yeah, he's got enough gems, let him buy it. And then I had that little hard code that overrode it. So now if I hit this, it's going to go... Oh. I do need this, but I need to set it to 1. No, 0. That is right. Unlock but not purchase. No, that was right. Crazy. Okay. So I'm not offline. I'm here. So then my check here. Interesting. Okay, let me check this. Oh yeah, that is right. I was doing that completely backwards, wasn't I? I was saying that if the price is greater than... There. So now, if the price is less than or equal to the coins available, then I can actually buy it. So that's terrible. Actually, I had it right the first time, and then went back and flipped it. Man, I need a coder. Okay. There it is. Buy it. Good. So now he's actually going to let me buy it. Buy it. There we go. Sweet. I can buy it. So there we go. Now we actually have to buy it. So then what we need to do is update all our values. So we say that combo coins is equal to, such a pain, you gotta convert it twice. I mean, someone can tell me if there's another way to come at this, but I think that's the only way to do it proper, because custom data is an object. Or does it come across as a string? No, that's a string. Local user, custom data. Yeah. So, take the custom data, switch it to a string, and then switch it back to an int, which I just did. So then I say that minus the actual, no, gems value, you jerk, dot x, because it's singular, not plural. And then I convert all this. Okay, why is it not happy? Values. That is singular, but that is plural. Alright. So we can do that. And then we need to also tell it that that character is now unlocked. So then, what's the best way to come at that? So I store all my data for the different launchers and villagers in a giant string separated by characters. So I guess I just need to go ahead and create a new function that finds it and updates it. Text. Yeah, let's just create a new function. Actually, I guess I can nuke all this. This was my previous, if you heard me when I first started doing the stream, I said I had a, yesterday I did a bunch of it and it was all crud and I had to do it over again. That was the old, excuse me, I think it's safe enough I can nuke that. If not, too bad. It's done now. Control S. There. Done. Okay. So void purchase character. And we have the island already set. I can pull that off of that, but I need to tell it.